Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. We are going to use the Wisdom Oracle deck, and I'll be picking one card for your career and one card for your relationship, guys. And we'll open the cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. This is for your career, guys, and this is for your relationship. So we'll open the first card, Higher Power. With this card, the oracle message for your Pisces is that each and every one of us, we have that immortal divine soul in us, guys. So we have the speck of that higher power in us, so that guides us all along in our life. So we are always protected and we are divinely directed in whatever we do. And sometimes in our work situation we feel sudden outcome of certain actions. We do some things, we get certain ideas, and we feel inspired by certain things from inside. Some intuitive guidance may be there. So regarding some agreements or projects or some deals, whatever we do, so sometimes if there is that intuitive guidance in our life, we take up that choice and we reach success. So it just means that that divine power that is in you is guiding you towards that success, is pointing you in the right direction. So when you feel that guidance in your life, guys, maybe you will feel it, Pisces. That is what this card suggests. Each and every one of us, at times of great stress and struggles, we just pray within ourselves and we feel that a guiding hand in our life, guys. So that is the divine power guiding us towards those good things that are good for us, that are prosperous for us. So that is what this means. So when you get that guidance, you need to be absolutely humble. You need to feel that uh, a spirit of humility within yourself. Maybe sometimes we feel intuitive guidance through our dreams, or we may see certain signs, some synchronicities. So we need to understand that, guys, that the universe is guiding us. And when we surrender all our troubles to that intuitive guiding hands, that higher power, it will automatically be taken care of, guys. And we pray, when we pray to that. So in your work, maybe certain situations it may not go right, and you feel maybe for some of you all, you may feel lost. So it is time for you to look at those signs that are coming towards you to guide you, guys, in your life, in your day to day work situation. So that is the energy with this card. That is the oracle guidance message for you all, for your work situation or career, guys, Pisces. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. To be fair. Pisces, the energy with this card for your relationship, guys. Life offers lots of challenges, guys, and experiences. Sometimes those are good, and sometimes the challenges are bad. And when we experience that, we get a clear understanding of that particular situation. So we often, when we accept those challenges and experiences without judgment, we see a great change in ourselves, guys, and we reap what we sow. So if we do something good, we will get something good, guys, good back. If we do something bad, we get something bad. So even in this relationship with this person, when you are listening to them, when you want to have that deep communication with them, guys, when you learn to be open and objective about your situation, and when you consider their options also, their suggestions also, and see their point of view in any situations, and when you have that love to connect with this person, and when you take up their ideas and have that uh, love and compassion, caring and respect in this relationship, when you are mutually benefiting from that relationship, it just means that you are fair in that relationship. So there will be a mutual gain. So you need to be absolutely fair. You cannot decide everything all the time, guys. So you need to find that balance in your relationship. Accept that person as they are, and you should value their views, listen to them, listen to their suggestions, and have that respect for them and caring for them. So that is what the oracle is guiding us today, guys. So when you do that, you will find that harmony and balance in your situation, in your relationship, guys. So that is the energy here. And if you are a person who is fair or who wants to be fair, so your situation will be resolved to the highest good. So uh, all those people in that situation will feel that you are a person of kindness and empathy and compassion, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So it is time for you to have that open minded, open heart relationship with this person, guys. And see, accept their views, have that respect and caring for them. So this is what they expect from you, or this is what you expect from your person, Pisces. And that is the reading, guys, for today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be doing more of such readings, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Pisces.